Sorry, I forgot. Question 1 I still have part C and part D, so we continue journey. Finish question 1 first. Sorry. Okay. Okay, first, state the value of the area under the curve. It is the sketch of the VT graph when it is has a terminal speed. Okay, so what is the area under the graph? So first of all, look at this VT graph, right? VT graph. So the area under it should be the displacement, and then you set up not the meaning, the value. So what is the total distance of 4? Yes, 28 meters. So this is straightforward. So 28 meter. That's it. Next one is complicated more calculation. Determine the value of k. So look here. You have to observe where is the terminal speed. Okay, this is the terminal speed, and then you look it up to the left hand side. Okay, clearly, okay, it is 9.5 meter per second. It is the terminal speed. So at this speed, the resistance force equals mg. So for part 2, I write here. Okay, so F equals kv square and equals mg. Be careful, SI unit 27 gram, you need to change it. So K equals 27 grams, okay, times 10 to the power negative 3, and then 9.81, and then our observation 9.5 is the terminal speed, so 9.5 all square. So now it's the turn. Bring out your calculator and do it. Well, then you got it. It is at 2.9 times 10 to the power negative 4 units. Remember, what's the units of K? We did it. Kilogram per meter. A very strange unit. But remember to copy back from the previous one. You guys are good. Awesome. Okay, see you for next section.